right, this first question that I have is for Carl. Tell us what makes your book, Future Proof Your Career, different from all the other books about AI or career management job search.
That's a great question, Christine. I get that a lot, actually. And beyond the excellent storytelling that's in the book that teaches people how to be natural with developing their AI skills, the book also contains interactive chatbots that are included in the book. And the AI chatbots provide a reciprocal learning experience. And what I mean by that is that the chatbots become personalized coaches based on the person's specific situation with resume, life experience in terms of making recommendations to them, while also prompting people to interact with the chatbot. And that translates into learning AI skills a lot better because it's an interactive type of process that's in there with the chatbots. And actually, the chatbots, believe it or not, are the result of, we had over 30 testers to test the chatbots. And I just want to give a quick shout out to some of the people that actually contributed to us with our collaboration as well. Alex Freund, Dietmar Tietz, Jose Natal, Jenny Ostenchuk, Laxmi Valuri, Miranda Noah, Everett Miller, Elena Titova, Karen Murray, Lynn Connolly, and many others that took time out of their schedule to be able to help us tweak the chatbot so that they were of value to people. And that's what makes all the difference in terms of helping people quickly hit the ground running with the interactive chatbots.
I love the fact that all of those people you just mentioned, and that was a huge laundry list. There's a lot of people that are putting their hands down that mountain and just bringing up their fellow job seekers to the top so that they can be successful by sharing this information, because you don't know what you don't know. And I think that's really awesome. You were able to use your connections and reach out to get this information to share with other job seekers.
Those contributions were invaluable.
Absolutely.